Peaceful world where there's more harmony between humans, more harmony in the family, more harmony in the nation, and of course more harmony between nations so that we avoid conflicts and wars. So indeed, the HeHe culture is very inspiring, and I wish we have more of that in the world. I think the most important is that we need to embrace the understanding that all major issues over time, look, climate change, environment degradation, global poverty, pandemics, wars, whatever is the big issue, it's much easier to resolve if we act in harmony and if we work together. If we exchange views, if we have dialogue, if we show respect for each other, and all based on the idea of global harmony, then we will do much better in the 21st century.
We have to go to inclusiveness and open-minded and harmony. And this is exactly, of course, as you can see, the core values of the HeHe culture is harmony, peace, unity, cooperation.